Why you should use WordPress for your business website. WordPress is a great script that often doesn't get the recognition it deserves. When people talk about it, they often imply that it is simple blogging software. Despite its simplicity, it is still a powerful tool that enables businesses to easily publish their websites. We believe that WordPress is not a blogging software, it is the best publishing software that is free. But before that, in what ways to use WordPress? WordPress is a content management system that can be used in various ways. Start a newsletter or magazine blog. Make a business website. Content management system, CMS. Start an online store. Build a membership website. WordPress has many advantages that can be utilized by creative minds. So the questions are: do you need a WordPress website for your business? If the answer is yes. If you need a WordPress website built, then we can help. Just fill out the form below and we will get in touch with you to discuss your project. Do you want to start a WordPress blog for your business? Creating a WordPress blog is a great way to promote your business or simply share information with your website visitors. To find out more, request a quote from GBN Web Development. Have you started using email marketing? If you have been thinking about starting email marketing, then we can help. There are plenty of tools out there that will help you get started. Go ahead and use the request a quote so we will know how to contact you. If you are ready to start, go ahead and ask for a quote. We can customize almost anything that you like. Most projects can be customized to have as many bells and whistles as you like, or trimmed down to fit into a tighter budget. What we love about WordPress. One-click upgrades simplify the process of updating a website by removing the need for manual work and expensive development time. WordPress has a new multi-site management feature that lets us manage all of the websites that we maintain. This feature will allow us to scale our resources much lower while still keeping our websites running smoothly. Manage your website from your phone. This feature is a killer addition to WordPress, and it allows site owners to easily update their website without any knowledge or training. We can help you get started with creating a website that enables you to sell digital products or services online. 6 important reasons why you should use WordPress for your website. 1. WordPress is free as in freedom. WordPress is free software. 2. WordPress is easy to customize with themes and plugins. 3. WordPress is SEO friendly. 4. WordPress is easy to manage. 5. WordPress is safe and secure. 6. WordPress can handle different media types. WordPress is an essential component of modern web design. It is a great platform to create many different types of websites. We hope this article answered your question about why you should use WordPress. The best way to truly experience the power of WordPress is by using it. Give it a try and let us know what you think.